Hello everyone, welcome back to another simple semantic SEO audit video. And in today's video I am going to try to audit a website that is New York Software Developers.com. So this is a software development company who provides software development services. So this is the checklist as you guys have seen previously. So in the checklist, first, as always, we try to understand the source context. So if you go to this website, the source context is obvious, you can definitely understand the source context of a website by trying to go through their homepage, and especially if you see they have like good call to action buttons, like for example this website have like get a quote, and also they provided a telephone number. Also there is a call to action over here, and I think in the about us section you can also see that they provide services, and they also have like call to action buttons everywhere. So this is a good sign that a website is a this website has a good source context. A website without source context is like Wikipedia, where you don't sell anything. It's just a website where there are just information, and these type of websites currently not don't work when it comes to ranking, because Google wants real businesses to rank, so that they can make money, the business can make money, also the potential customers can uh, be satisfied with the information they read online, and they also can they can learn, and then they can get satisfied with the services as well. So yeah, the first one is a green flag. The next one is the central entity. So the central entity is the entity that kind of um, defines the whole website. Like if I say this entity, the website will revolve around this entity. So for this example, software development is the entity, or software development services. And if you go to like every pages of this website, you will see something about software development. And if you go through their sitemap, you can also see that almost every pages they have like or every post they have like software development or software, the keyword or the term in those posts or pages. So this is the main central entity of this website, and they also did a good job when it comes to showing it to the algorithm or the search engines. So the next thing we have is, what intent are you going to satisfy? So if you go through their homepage and about us page, you will see that they will provide good quality software development services, and that is like the central search intent. Like people of New York City, if they need any software services, they will search on Google, and if they find this website, they will provide and like this kind of services. So this is the search intent they are providing. So yes, this is clearly mentioned throughout the website. And the next thing is to understand the ideal customer. Like I said, they are providing services like software development services to New York City and probably worldwide. And if you go through their sitemap, you will see like software related posts, and how they provide services to their customers. And you can also see those kind of service pages when it comes to this website. This website also got like professional, or what is it called, like the service pages, like they provide services based on this type of service and stuff. So yes, this is also clearly mentioned or clearly understandable if you go to this website. Next is understanding the competitors. So I don't know if they figured out their competitors yet, but I found a shortcoming of this website, that they are not like updating their site enough, especially the blog post. And if I go to their, probably go to their competitors who are ranking at the top, they are definitely, uh, publishing new posts every day or updating their old posts. And also they are probably, going side by side with other competitors, so that they can, compete with them when it comes to new posts or updated posts about software development or other business related stuff. But this is a shortcoming they have. They are not, updating their post enough. You can see some of them are updated in 2024, 2023. So yeah, you have to know your competitors, what they are doing. If they are not updating enough, you don't have to update enough, but most likely most of the competitors are updating their website all the time. So you have to update your uh, website based on them, and also provide good quality information based, or based on your competitors. You don't need to like write everything force or Wikipedia like written, or every information in the Wikipedia, but you have to write like similarly to your competitors, so that you can rank with them or beyond them. That is like the main goal when it comes to semantic SEO. Okay, so next we have what is the root. Now if you go through all of their blogs, they don't have much blogs in their website. So if you go to this page, you will see that like if you go to their like they have some good quality blogs, but if you go to their website, you will not see any blog post or article that connects all of their article, like especially core sectional article together. And a root article is the job of a root article is to connect all the core sectional article together and become like a pillar of the website. And I did not find anything regarding this type of website. And their blog posts are like they don't even have, I don't think they have any internal links. So yes, this is a downside of their website. They don't have any root page or root article. And understanding the core section. So yes, a core section is like everything related, every article or every service page or everything related to you know your business. Every article that are related to your business, or every page that is related to your business, is like your core sectional web pages or articles. So they have like like almost every article they have, or every page they have, they talked about software development, or mobile apps, healthcare apps, everything like development type of website, I mean web pages. But they have good quality core sectional blogs, but I think they are missing out when it comes to outer sectional blogs or articles. I'm going to get back to this thing, like outer sectional blogs. Next we have like, are the core sectional articles referenced on the homepage? Yes. Usually the main like quality articles, like that are really quality, that can help you become the topical authority. Those type of articles should be on your homepage. And I think they put some of their good articles here, but not enough. I think they must, or they have to provide or put their best articles that are going to take them to the next level of topical authority. and take them beyond their competitors. So the reason of doing this, like putting your quality articles on the homepage, is a crawler or a algorithm comes firstly on your homepage, then it goes through your internal links to other pages. So if your homepage is quality and you can show your quality on your homepage, then this is a good sign to for the algorithm to make you a topical authority eventually. So yes, the next one is, are there any humans mentioned on the homepage? I mean, they have some, like many human images, or people images of the people. I don't know if they are their teammates or not, but mainly what you have to do is to put people, lead real team members on your homepage, and their name and their position, so that algorithm can understand this is a real website with real people behind it. Because this is the era of AI, and everybody is creating website like crazy. But if you can show like your quality, your teammates, your team members names, and their entities, that would be a good sign to get you beyond what everybody is doing. So the next one is like checking the title and h1. So in semantic SEO, I believe like the title and the h1 should be same. If I go to one of their this one of their web page or article, benefits of agile software development, and if I go to the developer tab, I think it is called, and if I search for like title, and you can see that the title is here. So the title says benefits and of agile software, like the same as the h1. Okay, this is what we need, but sometimes I see that they are not doing that. Like for example, here, let's see the title, like the title says a guide to build a result driven successful mobile app. So this and this says the same thing, but we have to write word to word same. So strategies for developing a successful mobile app, and this is the same thing, but to make the algorithm understand it better, we should write the title and the h1 the same, so they can improve in this section. And also one thing I figure out that most of their pages are not indexed on Google, and maybe that's because they are writing articles very shallow, or they are not providing enough information or unique n-grams. So they definitely can improve this, and also they can fix their technical SEO, so that these articles are indexed on Google, and maybe eventually they can become a topical authority in this niche or in their area. The next one is the URL structure. You can see that in the sitemaps. So I think their URL structure is pretty good. Everyone mostly what they do is like they give the domain, they use a subfolder like blogs or articles, then they put the rest of the slug. And but they did not do it, and they provided like the domain and the article slug at like without giving a subfolder. And this is in Koray's framework. This is what we do. This is the right approach, and I think this is a green flag for them. So next one is understanding the SERP index. So this is actually, if you find anything on Wikipedia and you just keep on like creating content based on that entity, but people are not searching, Google never indexed this type of website or web pages on their SERP, search engine result page, then you should not create every type of web pages like articles. You don't have to write every type of articles. So I don't know, I have never researched this niche that much, but if there is no search volume, if there are no no other are, your competitors are not writing about web3 and the future of internet, you should not create another web page on this, because it will cost Google a new index, and the more you cost Google, the less Google will like you. So you have to, reduce your cost for Google as much as possible, so that your cost of, retrieval is low, and you become like a, like a child who don't need much cost, and become the favorite son of your father or something like that. So yeah, that's the thing. The next one is checking for contradicting data. Like every website should check before publishing any article, that if their other article says like 50% and this article says 30%, there is no like contradicting data. I don't know if they have contradicting data, but every article, I mean every website or website owner should do this. This is a best practice when it comes to semantic SEO, to give the look to the data, so that there is no contradicting data. The next one is understanding the outer section. So if I go to their sitemap, I see most of the web pages or articles are like core sectional article, like they talk about mobile app, like they talk about software development in New York and stuff like that, but there are some things that are not solely related to software development, something like uh, IoT and its role in shaping trends, and like I don't know this one. So chatbot customer service, like this may not be like this one, like let's say repurpose content for social media. Like this is not a social media agency, but if they can like talk about this one, and it has like good search volume, like this article has a good search volume, and then they can interlink to their source context from their supplementary content, from this article to their core sectional article, like software development or something like that. This is like a core section, I mean outer section, like you talk about something kind of related to your niche or to your source context, but kind of in outer way, and that have like good traffic, and you can get traffic from those type of articles. This is a outer section. But in this website they mostly talk about software development, but I think if they talk about like business of New York, like trends of New York City about business and business owners, and maybe like I don't know, sports and healthcare, they can get more traffic from outer areas of this niche, and they can take this traffic to this website and get more historical data, and so on, like new type of customers. So yeah, this can be improved. The next one is check the internal link and outbound link. If I go to their website, I mean web pages, I don't see much internal links. This is a good sign, but if you do not put any links, then you will not connect your web page will be not connected to any route or each other. You have to give some form of internal links, especially in the supplementary content, but do not outbound link to any other website, so that we can preserve our link juice to ourselves. So yeah, they can definitely improve these type of things by interlinking their core sectional blogs together, and then get links from their outer sectional blogs to their core section. So yeah, this can be improved as well. The next one is check for article freshness and publications frequency. Like I said, they are not enough, you know like they are not updating their articles regularly. Some of them are refreshed in 2025, but most of them are 2024, 2025, I mean 2023 and 2021 and so on. They absolutely should improve, like update these blog posts, so that they can the crawlers come regularly to their website, and they can become a authority to their niche. The next one is the central entity mentioned site-wide. So your central entity should be mentioned site-wide. Like if your website is about software development, if your every web page or article should talk about software development throughout the like throughout the website. And I think they did this like quite professionally and properly. Every web page they have, like they talked about software or software development. I think this is a good sign for them, and yes, and we all should do that as well, to talk about the central entity that we have throughout the website, so that this become like our core topic, and we can become the topical authority eventually. So this is kind of like the overall video for this audit. And the next video, I will try to do a inshallah a semantic content audit for this website, and I will talk about their content and how they can be improved based on semantic SEO and Koray framework. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.